How to make and create a recipe book cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account or create one. Now this is the home page. Click on create a design, search for book cover and click on the first option. It will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down like this until you find a recipe book cover and click on see all and choose a template here, for example this one, and you can edit everything right here. As you can see, everything can be edited. So easy and fast. After you finish, click here and click download. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you later.